morning, day 3. Let's go to EPCOT. Ito na siya. Guys, they said EPCOT has the best food, so
Yes.
let's go check it out.
Let's make bawi for our food. Pero yeah, last night was okay naman. The salmon is good.
Yeah, the salmon was good, but we had, I mean, just the options are so lacking.
Yeah, that's true.
It's like all
Lahat
like
fries.
Western food. And like we clearly not Western. I mean, we clearly Asian. So we want our rice.
Yeah.
The Animal Kingdom wants so much rice options.
Yeah, may mga beans pa. I think,
Oo.
siya, mas okay yung mga options doon. Let's see at EPCOT.
Let's see at EPCOT because they have different areas. They have Mexico, Norway, China. All there's like little
Germany,
areas.
France,
Italy.
Italy. Italy.
Italy.
Bakit laging may gano'n nagkasalita? Italy.
Ask the Italians. Or is this a very
Buongiorno,
stereotypical
buongiorno.
cake that us other people made? Alright, first food in EPCOT. We're getting this, guys. Let's try. It's a quiche, I think. Let's go, guys. Alright.
Appetizer.
Fish nga siya, caramelized. Oh, they loves eggs. Oh my god. Better than Nabi. What?
Lahat kinumpers na nabi.
Baseline Nabi, guys.
So far, it's 11 na katatlong rides na kanya. And then yung tatlong yun pa yung pinaka
Busiest. Well, Magic Kingdom is just wait, let me Okay. Isa lang na-charge ko. Share na lang kami. SMR. Pinaka-busy guys yung Disney, grabe. I cannot the Disney. Buti na ma-enjoy mo siya go once, but then like
Disney?
yung Magic Kingdom pala.
Magic Kingdom.
Sorry, Magic Kingdom. My gosh, intense.
It's
stressful.
very, it's very overwhelming kasi kaliwat kanan yung mga buildings and everything. Well, here, they have like ang laki ng space.
So many rides pati there.
Oo, so many rides.
So many rides, so many people. Because everyone's trying to go there.
Yeah.
I feel like, people who get just 1 day pass,
But definitely,
choose that one.
Kingdom, Magic Kingdom. Kasi I think that's the parang kumbaga, iumpisahan yung
That's a traditional
yung Disney, yun eh. Yun yung talagang, like when you think about Disney, that's,
castle.
yeah,
Exactly.
that's the one thing that you're gonna look after. Yung mga Animal Kingdom, which is really good. Yung safari, I like it. Para talaga kami nasa Africa. Because we were in the rough road, diba? Guys, ang sarap ng caramelized onion talaga.
Actually, so far, guys, food-wise also, first one already better than yesterday.
Enchanted.
Also, like, it's not quite like a quiche because it's softer. It's almost it's like a creamy gelatinous texture.
It looks like creme brulee.
Creme
sa top.
brulee, yes, exactly. Actually, it does. Yung texture niya din parang creme brulee,
Creme
but
brulee.
it's like egg and
Onions.
onion and cheese.
Savory creme brulee.
Yeah. This is a good snack actually. It's just $7. But you know what? With goat cheese and everything, this is not that bad. Compared to like the three-piece dumpling we got in Animal Kingdom.
$7.
Diba? Because like goat cheese is expensive.
This is my hat, guys. You know, I bought it at Magic Kingdom yesterday. It's an init dito.
I
And I
love
think this is the biggest, yung parang space talaga siya. Like, super wide.
spacious park na.
Spacious. As in, wala kang, konti lang yung shade area. Like, you're out under the sun talaga most of the time. Pero hindi uso sa kanila, guys, yung magnets. It's so pahirapan.
In Disney.
Yeah.
Ubusan.
Ubusan ba or hindi lang uso?
Both. Kasi nagkakaubusan kasi hindi marami.
Sarap yun.
Sarap niya. In fairness. This is probably my favorite one sa lahat ng kinain namin sa Disney so far. The ano also was good, the Animal Kingdom one.
Yeah.
The chicken one. Mine was alright. It was like plant-based, but like in Canada we make better plant-based. I feel like.
Uy. Ang maganda kasi, kung ako to mag-order, di ko siya maubos talaga.
You should do it. Half-half.
Just
Kung may
half-half.
kasama kayo.
Lalo na
Half,
pag
so you
ano.
can try as much. Nice. Good.
So far, so good.
Let's go.
Guys.
Food. Food number 2.
Ano yan?
Beef braised short rib.
Wine, right?
Wine
Wine.
braised beef short rib.
Okay.
Thank you very much. It's an earth food. It's part of the wine and food festival, which I still don't know how it works, but whatever. I'm gonna try. Okay, beef, very soft. I think this thing is
Oh, this is good. This one is?
I don't know what it is, but grits maybe?
This one?
Yeah.
That
Some-
potato?
No.
Yeah.
I think it's grits. I've never had it before, but I think. It's a very
The
interesting
beef is
texture.
so tender. It has, what is this?
Like a tomato sauce with olives and green peas.
This one's the big
And this
piece.
one is like very wine tasting with the olive. Yeah.
Thank you.
Have something to say. With the olive, it's very
Olives.
like Italian or very French
Alright.
style, I guess. With the wine.
Mm. Mm.
It's good. It's an interesting taste.
I like the beef. The beef. Yung beef is so tender.
The beef is good.
Saka the olives and the tomato sauce. It
Yeah, so we
actually
like it.
complements. It complements the whole flavor.
Yeah, together, right? Ito may parang litid na part. Gusto mo ba yun?
Yeah.
Ito.
Masarap yung yung portion niya, pantawid po ito.
This is what we're doing for dinner, guys. Just a bunch of food here. It's like night market. Para may energy na naman kami. Pag dumidilim na siya.
$8. So it's about
Yeah.
$10, $11.
Yeah. Way too
Canadian.
expensive for sure. But we paid a lot for it the same yesterday too.
Yeah.
For like less tasty.
And less amount. Alright, food number 101. Number 3, Hawaiian.
Hawaiian rice bowl. So it has spam, furikake.
I like everything but the water part.
Good.
Which honestly, I didn't get that wet. I actually did.
It's nothing extremely.
Special.
It has egg. But it's good.
Yeah. Like you can do it too.
You can do it at home. We're much harsher on the rice.
No, because it's pan, like it's already it's canned. So
And we're rice eaters.
Nothing.
So this is the type of food we eat all the time.
not much to expect in a way. But still good.
Still good.
Ito ba sa akin?
No.
Okay, bye. Mais. So, Senorita needs a margarita now. Let's go.
The price did not stop us. This shit is
Yeah, this is like
$14.
wow, like 20, almost $20 in Vancouver.
Wow.
Okay,
Really? Huh? No? Oh no. Sarap. But okay. Hindi mo sarap? What do you mean? It's more vodka than mango. Tastes like a cocktail though. Like, I don't know why it's 14 bucks, but I'm sure it's a Disney name. Mas masarap pag may pagkain na. First is this corn. We will try. Right?
Oh, like it's not kaagami. Very sour.
Yeah. It's very sour. It's not bad per se, it's just surprising. I think we're used to like cheese corn, like Korean style or Japanese style. Again, I'm sure Guillermo will.
Alright, we're gonna get.
Oh my gosh, my taco is falling apart guys.
What he was curling. Curling. What
Wait. All I got was beef. Maybe you should do this.
Also sour.
It's like absolutely it has fallen apart guys. It's not falling, it's just done. It gave up.
What about you like the burger as well? It's my favorite of all time. Like that's not I know. I love it so much, and I've actually got my friends who love
What's the schedule for breakfast?
I love it. They're my
Oh well.
$35.
That's
You don't
not
want to get
good.
wet? Yeah.
Bad decision.
Frozen.
Hindi na kaya.
Yo, hindi man lang nakakalahati yan ah.
I was expecting more like sweet. The vodka is so strong.
I rode yesterday.
I think this is true margarita.
True
I always
That's how they normally make it. And the stuff we buy is like
so, and I'm like, and we got
for.
So disappointed.
Huh? I'm very disappointed.
Yeah, me too. Especially with the margarita.
This one's not even sweet to break up the ano.
The flavor on the taco. And it's it just adds more sourness.
Maybe it's more authentic.
Don't oink oink in unison. Liquor pigs, liquor pigs.
Ay, ano
Obviously,
naman
I can
siya.
eat it.
Yeah. It's okay, but it's like,
We don't want it, right? Like that's why I'm finishing it.
yeah.
Because I knew she wasn't liking it.
No.
Sayang naman yung 35 bucks.
Kaya, kasi nubusin din namin.
Spice is good, the sour is good. It's just we have something to break up the sourness and the.
So, about two brothers.
Alright, this is good actually with it. Then it's cold.
Yeah.
Spice is not.
Kind of dorky, but great. So,
Excellent.